If you have been struggling in the forex market, you only need just two candles to be profitable. And these candles, I call them the reversal opening price. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade this single price level and profit from the market week in, week out. I'm going to show you a trade that I sent to my VIP Signal group just this week and how it has been doing and probably where we want the price to go to. So without wasting time, let's go on. The reversal opening price, if you have been following my opening price strategy series, I've discussed three types of opening price. So in this video, I'm going to explain the second type. All right. The first one I did, if you have not watched that video, I'll put the link in the description. It was on the Quasimodo opening price. So this one is about the reversal opening price. So we have, how do you identify the reversal opening price? You only need two candles. The first candle here will be a bullish candle, and the second candle will be a bearish candle. It does not necessarily have to engulf the previous one. It could be like this. The main thing is identify these two colors, two candles with different colors. Once you identify them, all you need to do, since the first, you look at the opening price of the second one, you keep it in line with the closing price of the first one, and you draw a straight line across. Do not look at the wicks, okay? In my series, I do not consider this wick because I see them as areas of manipulation. The true price are not in here. Rather, the price are simply on the opening price. This is the level of resistance or the level of supply where the market push this candle down. Now, when price approaches that level, what you need to be doing is you mark that level. It has to be an untouched level. That means price has not traded into it. That is a powerful one. So when price comes back into that level, what we want to do is to build our trading decision around that level. Simple. And in this case, since it is a resistance, we should be expecting the price to fall. So what do you do around there? You simply look for any confirmation pattern that you have. You can apply it here and then you improve your trading. Now, this is on the bearish side. When the market is bearish, we have a way to understand that the market is bearish. All right. Now, in a situation, in another scenario where the market is bullish, we look for the two candle pattern again, just two candle pattern. The first one will be a bearish candle. Then the second one will be a bullish candle. As you can see, it does not necessarily have to be an engulfing candle. If it's an engulfing candle, probably it gives more weight to this level here. Okay, so anyhow it is, but do not mark the wick. Do not use a to shade the region. Even though if I'm sending out my signals, sometimes I mark it as a region so that you might understand or might see it clearly. But what I'm looking at is not the whole region. I'm just looking at this level. This is the key level for me to take my trades. So what am I doing? When price comes back to those levels, to this level now, I'll form my trading decision around it to look for a buy trade opportunity and profit from the market. Simple as that. All right, let's go to the chart and identify these levels. All right, and secondly, on what time frame can you be looking at this? Actually, you can look at this at any time frame, but where I found it to be more accurate is on the daily, weekly, and the monthly time frame. The daily, weekly, and the monthly time frame. Anything below, you don't use that to gauge your direction. All right. So we're going to look at the chart and then point out those areas. So this is on gold. You can see this is one supply area resistant. You can see how price rejected from that area. All right, rejected from that area. This one here, this is a supply area, demand area. You can see how price rejected from there and then push higher. Even though this rejection here came down, you can see we tap into another opening price here to break. But I'm going to talk about this one in my next video. All right. But all you need to do is to monitor trade activities around the opening price. Now, when price comes there and breaks it, when price comes there and breaks it like this, most times what it means is that the market wants to push higher. I don't need to go to structure to understand that, especially if it has met my criteria of a bullish setup or a bullish directional bias. So once it's bullish directional bias and the price keep closing above this level, I'll be positioning myself for a buy trade when the market retraces. Like here, for example, in this case, when the market came here, what happened? It broke above this level. You can use that as a retest, break and retest. This was formerly a supply level. It was broken, became a demand level. Or you can use the term resistance. This was formerly a resistance. Market broke, it came down, became a support level. And then what do you see? Price rejected that area and up it went. All right. So as you can see here too, price closed above it. All right. In what it tells you is that that level is not strong. That when price come again, it's going to break that level. All right. So as you can see, market came down, created a new one, traded from there, and off we go. In this case, market closed below. You can use it as a resistance, but in that case, it rejected the wire, the market. Now, all this, by the time you join my VIP group, you are going to understand why you should not be looking for a sell trade around there. But I just want to show you some instances where you can easily start applying this immediately. All right. You can see a break above, price came to retest and push up. So without wasting time, let me quickly show you the trade breakdown. I sent an email to those that subscribe to the VIP signals, and that trade was on USD card. So this is a USD card, yeah. So the way what I saw was that price was bullish. And if you look at the direction of this market here, we have been bullish. We only consolidated here for a while. All right. And as you can see, the price action around those levels here. You can see price rejecting from that level. Came back down, created a new level. Yeah. So this new level formulate my bias that we are bullish. So we close above and we are bullish. So what I did was to go to a lower time frame, and then I sent out the entry for them. All right, this was the level I was looking at. All right, as at when I sent it, the price was somewhere here. So price came down. This was the level I gave them to as a signal, and we are pushing up. We are targeting this is a first level of obstacle that hopefully price will attack. So if you want to be part of that VIP group, there's a link in the description. You're going to see the pip hunting signal group. You can join, and every time to time I'll be sending out signals like this. All right, so currently price came in. Okay, now before this rejection, you should see that this market was heavily on the downside. Big red candle. You don't need to worry about all those things. As long as all your criteria are in place, and as you can see, it even aligned well with this moving average here. I'm doing a study on this moving average. When I'm done, I'm going to do a video about it. I'm back testing some ideas. All right. Once I know that it is okay to push out to the public, I will do that. So as you can see, price came in here, rejected, created another one there. You can see this is a powerful area, even within the 4 hours. But most times the 4 hours constitute a lot of noise, and I do not use it as a basis for formulating my direction. So as you can see right now, price find it difficult to close below, and we're pushing high. Those who took these trades are currently in profit. And I was actually looking at 2 levels, because sometimes price may come real down, tap in here, and then push higher. In that case, I have 2 entries, but now is only a single entry. So that is how you need 2 candlesticks formation, all right, to make your money in the forex market. If you want to know more about the price action when it comes to opening price strategy, I'll put a playlist in the link. You can watch it and then let me know your thought and opinion in this video.